guys, tomorrow.
Hey, Mom.
I can give you t-shirt.
Nasaan yan? Ano yung ilan po mo? Keep your name in the book.
Yeah, what is that, crunchy? It's hot up and
Okay, this way. Oh, wait. How would you?
Oh.
the butter? No, that's mango, right? Mango right here. Yeah. Kain niya.
Can you help me load? I just want one egg. I know. Yeah, I haven't had something in
I know. How's that? No, but give me your plate, please. Your plate, your plate.
I'm so tempted. And it was gone.
Hi. Thank you. Kain na ba yung bread?
I had one plate.
Si Holly nandun sa anak mo. Kumakain, di na lang yung plate niya. Hoy, pakainin mo na kayo para mag-ano yung sila, yung mga bata, para yung sila. Kain na ako para may kasalo si Holly. Kuya, you want your own?
Don't want egg. That?
Ready? It's ready.
Daddy wants one. Holly, Holly.
Holly's eating no. Where's Holly's?
There, we're done.
Come on.
Right, yeah, you forgot. This is the best. Thank you. Charge and go to work. Uy, ang sarap ng ano. Akan. Make it the best, no? Okay.
Swear the plane later on hasn't been used in ages. Did you hear how squeaky the thing is? Huh?
Ang sarap.
Noi! Grab some sausages.
Oo, ang dami dito. Baka kayo dito. Uy, baka mo sausage ng mga bata. Bread.
Well, no, I like it.
They don't like it.
What Chacha eats it.
Ayaw, si Chacha. Chacha, gusto mong sausage?
I think I had sausage. No, I don't have it right yet. Is this their first time having sausage?
Ano daw? Ano yung
They
sihon?
look like twins, Dad.
Sige, be. Meron ka?
They look like twins.
Yeah.
But they're not.
Pagtapos nito, dito kayo sa akin, ha? Pagtapos nila. Sige ko ka. Kahit dalawa.
Can you get the Sprite right there?
Awa?
What?
Wait, come on. No, ikaw ang kain dito.
Dalawa. Oh. Take one.
Gusto mo rin pala yan, Noy? Sarap yan eh. Wala yan dito eh.
Have you ever tried it?
No, I love it. One more?
Have you ever tried it?
Yeah.
Does you like it? What's it called? Oh yeah, no, can you get the Sprite behind you there? Get the Sprite?
I want to, but I can't, ha?
You can have water to use that.
Ang sarap ng kalabasa.
black.
Sarap ng kalabasa, maano kung sa Bicol masapot.
Holly, good?
Good, Papa?
Sausage good? You what? Please take that colour to Holly.
It's raining. You like crab fruit, Mum?
I love crab. Okay, kabi thank you, Jo. Uy, kain na ka.
Crab fruit.
Say hi to tita. Ayan, meron akong bagong dasili.
Mom,
Kilala
crab
nila akong
fruit.
mahilaw sa tita.
Crab fruit.
Yeah.
You like crab fruit? You like crab?
Hey, that's some cooking now. But I like chicken.
What about crab fruit? Ticket?
It's just like crab fruit. Oh no, crab is all that for
I've actually never tried crab.
Never. You wanna try? I'll do it to you.
Huh? I wasn't way better. Yeah.
You want me?
Why don't that? Try some. It's beautiful. Crab. I
Yeah,
just don't eat it because I don't
It's
want to
too
pick it.
hard. It's too hard to pick.
It could be bold
Also,
instead.
Dustin loves it.
I'll eat it if someone puts it in your mouth. Yeah, crab's good, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get it. Stuck.
Crab.
There you go. It's like
Dad, are you
lobster.
gonna do
Hey, that. It's good, Zachary.
It's like
Hey,
lobster.
Right?
It's like crab.
Yeah, it's like lobster, like cheaper
Dad, what are you
lobster.
gonna do with it?
Kumakanta sila dito ng salamin-salamin. Tapos na kami kumain, sobrang busog ako upstairs. Nilabas ko yung mga labanan kasi 2 days kami nag-swimming, di ba? Yan yung mga suit namin. So, palalaban natin yan. And, palit din ako ng chinelas. Dito kasi ang init-init para sa ating sapatos. So, eto. Labhan to. Ha? I know. Galing pala sila sa tindahan, bumili ng lollies. Bubble gum. Is it Yaki? Yaki one? The sour one? Alis daw tayo, guys. Magpapa-change tayo ng pera. Hintay lang natin si Jan. Si Noy, naka-start na yung ating car dito. Okay. Sama ka, be? Sama ka, di ba? Oo, sama sila. Sila Chacha and... Hello po.
No,
Close the door, Sam.
first.
Mas, stop. Kung saan magpapalit ng pera. Gusto nila dun sa likod, yung mga bata. May space pa naman dito.
Noy.
Okay pa? Gagawin ng lansolis, guys.
Noy na to.
Dito? Oo. Thank you. Okay. Tapos, yung kuha ko ng may nakita ko dito. Ang ingay nga lang. Yung yung mangosteen. O, diba? Yes, mayroon akong nakita kanina.
Wala dyan natin.
Yung sa kabila. Hindi kanina yung dinaanan natin. Yung maganda. Sabi, ayan si ate yata dito.
Hindi, nandun sa ano.
Sa kabila. Okay.
Eto, nandun.
Hindi, mayroon mas malalaki ako nakita. Ang mura dito ng mangustin sa Bicol. 320. Ayan. Ate, magkano? Matamis? Magkano? 140. Sige, ate. Basta maganda, ate. Sige, pilihan mo ako. Sige, ikaw na magpili. Kasi 1 kilo lang naman. And meron silang... Matamis ba to, ate? Okay, Bangkok na santol. Ay, may dalandan. Aya?
Yan ang ano natin. Yung mga kanan dito.
Oo, magkano yan? May dalandan. Ang tagal ko yung nakakain dalandan. Matamis to, ate, ha? 1 kilo lang din. Ikaw napili, te. Okay, we're done. Sige, alis na kami. Ang dami na yung fruits na nabili.
Did you get the money?
Yeah. Nagpa-park na pala tayo and ayan si Jan. Ginaguide niya si Noy. Punta tayo SM Bacoor, no? Eh.
Yep.
Bacoor. May nakita siya. Wax, Han. It's good for the car, Han. There's a lot in Legazpi, remember?
already done.
Is it shiny?
Ceramic, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Looks good.
Haha.
Only promo today.
So dito tayo SM, Bacoor to na eh.
Some people that have photos really awesome.
Yeah. Dito na tayo guys, nakapasok tayo sa SM, Bacoor. Tayo sa SM na nalilitaw sa Imus Cavite at saka Bacoor. Mas, ano dito? Mas presko dito. My event. What's in here? Mag-practice agad. Guys, unexpected. Si Holly, may nakita kami dito. Parang may nga nag-audition. Ginaya niya si April na gusto niya rin daw sumayaw.
Right now, we're gonna go for a break.
Are you excited?
Ayan, and see you again.
Magpaparegister siya. Daddy, supportive ang daddy, oh. Guys, si Holly na talaga ang magta-try sayaw. So, kailangan yung magpa-picture para makapag-register siya doon. Gustong-gusto niya talaga. Bigla na lang ako sinabihan nito, ate, gusto daw ni Holly sumayaw doon. Tapos, pumunta kami doon. Kailangan niya ng magpa-picture muna. Siya na tayo magpapa-picture dito para ipasa. Thank you! Ayan. Rush picture para sa kanya. Gusto mo? You really want it? Kami na talagang nakapila dito para sa kanyang pa-photo. Ano yun? 4R daw yung size ng picture niya.
41 ma'am.
41? Ako na ba yun? That is coming na, oh. Say thank you po. In Tagalog na lang. What you gonna say in Tagalog?
Tama po.
Okay. Sayaw. Huh? You wanna high? Like this? Like that? Okay. May nakita siya sumasayaw. Sabi, I wanna do that, mom. Hindi nga pala ako yung kasama namin. Ang inano niya. Baba, we don't have comb, Baba. It's alright. Just for fun lang naman, di ba? Just for fun. Okay.
Okay, ready? Look to left, look at the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more pose po.
Post.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, front po.
Front. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Last pose po.
Last pose.
Okay, one more.
Oh, body naman.
Okay, ready? Look at the camera. Ready? Pose.
Pose.
1, 2, 3.
No, other one, baby. Like this. Like, you know. The way you do to mom.
Okay, one more po.
One more post. Like that. Like this. Okay, hintayin namin yung picture ni Holly in 1 hour. Bili sila ng popcorn. Habang hinihintay natin yung ma-develop yung picture ni Holly. Kasi 1 hour daw bago makuha. Bili tayo ng Softy. Mr. Softy. Ayan, nag-soft ice cream na sila. Nag-try si Kuya mag-ano ng coins. How did you go? How has it? Ang cute na dyan. Hindi ko nakuna. Sumasayaw din siya. Meron na siya in-shout out.
Painting pictures with my body. It's just something about me.
Check na natin kung pwede na makuha yung picture ni Holly para makapag-sayaw na siya doon. Hindi pa ready yung picture ni Holly. And tingnan nyo sila doon. Si Jan nakaupo na doon. Naghihintay doon sila. So pretty! Okay.
Next natin ay ang contestant number 98. Contestant 120.
Say?
Anong gagawin mo?
Okay. Ooh, we got number.
Ready na?
When I get around you, I move so different when you're watching. There's just something about me. When I get around, I save my lips for kissing.
Ito na yung number niya, oh. Number 200. Mamaya pa, Baba. It's gonna take long. We can go around first, okay? Come on.
Ano gagawin mo?
Go, Daddy.
Ready ka na? Ready na! Palakpakan po natin contestant 122.
Baby, come and listen to the language.
Jollibee muna sila ako naghihintay.
I don't need words
Pasok na daw
to
kami.
show you.
Kami na talaga mag-audition. Kami na talaga yung Ayaw niya raw suotin yung Crocs pag sumayaw siya. Ha? I don't know. Nag-swap na lang siya ng tsinelas. Sige, tita. Malapit na siya.
Ano ba gagawin nyo ngayon?
Go there na
Sasayaw
si
kayo? Kakanta? Sasayaw
Ayaw niya
ka?
daw.
Ready ka na? Ready ka na? Ready na! Okay, nasa yung number?
Eyes don't lie, hearts don't hide, hands can't fight when they know what they both want. I think I know what we both want.
Are you sure? No sleeper? Okay.
Ayun.
Are you excited?
Ayan, ang galing na. Matagal ka na matulong sa super quiz. Hello! Hi, come here. What's your name?
Holly.
Oh, you look so pretty. How old are you?
7.
7 years old. What are you gonna do today? Are you gonna sing? Are you gonna dance? Dance! So we're excited to see you dance. Are you ready? Ready! Let's give it up for contestant 202.
Control sometimes, souls got minds their own. When they know what they both want, I think I know what we both want. I save my lips for kissing, baby. Come and listen to the language in my life. I don't need words to show you. I wanna get to know you. Put your hands up and down my thighs. Read my hips, baby. Now, baby, my hips. And take me home tonight. Will you not lady? No, no, no. You know.
There you go. Thank you so much.
You alone, alone, alone. Will you already know, know, know? You already know. Oh, when I get you alone. Read my hips, just like that. Read my hips. Oh, read my hips from me side to side. Read my hips, are they gonna lie? Read my hips, baby. Read my hips and take me home tonight. Will you not steady?
Well done, Holly. Ayan, dahil sumayaw siya, ayan, bibilang siya ng lollies ni Daddy. Ah, yung Chacha, what do you want daw? Trolley, ano, gusto? Yeah.
What's in it?
No, not much. It's Chacha. What's that, Baba? Yan yung price niya kay Daddy. Ano na lang sa akin. Ayan na lang, kisses.
Do you want the radar?
Sige, baby. Anong gusto mo ka dyan? Kuha tayo nitong Ruffles. Cheddar and sorry. Kuha tayo nitong Ruffles. Ano mo? Okay. Buti na lang talaga nakaterno kang damit kahit nakapaka kanina.
Buti dinaan sa mukha.
Oh, agawan sila. Okay. May binili akong empanada dito. Wala siya. Yung may ube. Masarap yun. Pero ngayon, eto, i-try din natin. Assorted to, empanada, tuna, and ham and cheese. 234. Apat siya. Ayan, tapos na. Ayan sila. Yan yung mga judges, oh. Papa picture. Pagas lang kami. Mga batang saya-saya sa likod.
Hello!
Look at the traffic dito sa Imos. Bumaba na si Jan. Siya na nag-traffic enforcer. Kasi hindi kayo makalusot. Ayaw mag-giveaway. Well done.
Ay, may sasakyan nun!
Ganon?
Sasakyan sa likod!
May sasakyan sa likod, no?
No! Nakipit-pit! Did you get that?
Dito kami sa Lotus Mall dahil kay Sak. Pumunta tayo sa SM, di ba? Wala siyang mahanap na mga Lakers na t-shirt o top. Sabi ni April, meron akong alam dito daw sa Lotus Mall. Yung mga hindi naman totoo yan. Ayan. Sabi ko, sige, dito ka mag-alap. Kasi walang makita sa SM. Jersey para sa kanya. Wala siyang nahanap doon. Dito naman tayo. Here. Dito naman tayo. Ayan, Sak! Pero walang size siguro niya. Wala din. May baker sila dito, oh. Tapos parang ang sarap din. Gutom lang ako. Ay, milky bread. Meron silang milky bread. Ah, eto. Sige, eto na lang. Kuha tayo nito. Silang, eto, assorted. May ube. So, kunin ko to. Thank you. Apo. Bumalik kami dito sa una. Bumili akong tinapay. Ayan, bumalik kami dito, oh. Kasi wala. Wala siyang napili, guys. Alam nyo naman to, choosy to, di ba? Maprutas ka, may lansones diyan, ang tamis.
Ito, ano gusto niyo ito?
Banana, ay, gusto niyo banana? Dito na kami sa bahay. Gutom na raw siya. Hindi siya, yung mga boys hindi gutom. What do you want? Sausage? Yes. So, dito yung ating mga fruits. Oy, kain tayo ng fruits. Kain na kami. Ang ulam namin same. Hindi na namin pinaluto. Tapos, ayan, may lansones ako. Kain tayo, sabay tayo. Ha? Okay, hugas ulit ako ng kamay. Kuya nga, Holly said she's hungry but she didn't eat. Kain si Kuya. Kain na ako. Kain tayo, guys. Kay Holly itong plato. Tapos, ayan yung manggang kinain niya. Kadalawa siyang pisngi. Ano po ang nanay niyan, Char? Ayaw magpa-vlog ni Chona para ang pangalan namin. Ang cute ng anak ni Ana ni Deb. Anak niyang puti-puti. Puti yan. Si Lola Mau nasa Bicol. Lola Mau nasa Bicol. Ang cute. Ang puti. Guys, tingnan nyo na yung, ayan, busog na busog ako ang dami. 3 crabs, tapos isang ganito lang naman. Pero yung kanin konti lang. Tapos isang prito. Tapos ayan, sawsawan ko. And si Pogi, uwi na raw siya. Uwi na yan. Doon na siya sa bahay ng isa. Uwi ka na, Pogi? Opo. Opo.
Because